Hi, this is Dominic. I'm here to talk to you about CsvDatabase. CsvDatabase has just implemented locks on the file. I was able to have multiple users that can access one file. The first one in locks it. The second one waits, and then so on and so on. You have to wait your turn to get to access the file. But the CsvDatabase will keep you waiting in line to access the file for inserts, updates, and deletes. You will have to wait your turn. So let's get to the other thing is since it's a file lock on the actual data. To get your data from a select statement, it will actually wait too. It will wait till you're finished updating and inserting and deleting. It will wait. So that was the best way to handle the CSV file, was to make sure I lock it. Maybe one day this is version 5, CsvDatabase version 5 I'm working on. Maybe one day I'll add the ability to have a row level lock on the file. That would be really nice. So let's get to another new feature. I was finally able to create a select. You can use like an SQL syntax on your data reader. The data reader is the fastest object, and I wanted it to be able to do an SQL statement, so that way you could actually get your data that you need from that actual file. So here we have an A, which it represents your header. A header. It can represent your class, the property A. See here, if you add a class and you can insert that class right here, just one line of code to insert. The other alternative is actually using a string. So A equals 1, Z equals 9 here, and similar to MongoDB, you can add fields. Now, when you add a field to the CSV file, when you add a field, it actually creates the whole column. Okay, so it's like creating a field and running an update with the empty string. And so it will actually have your empty string for all that if you add a new column. If you add a new column, like if you add a Z, what it will do is it will put a Z here, and it will add the column here. So if you had multiple records, and you just added to this record Z equals 2, it'll look like this, but it will go and it will update the old records to have the Z empty string. So so you could concatenate on here forever the headers, which is very dynamic for a database. It's one of the features I was interested in MongoDB, and then I wanted MongoDB to go into any cloud. Since this is written in C#, this can go into any cloud. So now we got inserts. We got multiple ways of doing inserts. You can insert with a class. You can insert with a string. You got a data reader, which has a SQL. It uses pipes to delimit the value. So this would be like for instance, this could be first name in your CSV file. Your CSV file, this could be, instead of A, it could be first name, and the value could be like Dominic here. Now